Hi, this is Konstantin from Aquarray. Welcome back to another episode of our tutorials on the Droplet Microarray. In this episode, I will teach you how to perform cell culture on the Droplet Microarray Slides. Even though the Droplet Microarray is highly miniaturized, it is the perfect tool for cell culture assays. Of course, the small volume of the droplet is sensitive to evaporation, but with the right preparation, you can keep this evaporation in check. All you need is a container, like a cell culture dish, some humidifying buffer, humidifying pads to contain the liquid, and of course, a Droplet Microarray slide. First, you need to pre-wet the pad. The pad will then be able to stick to the lid. Then you need to apply liquid to the bottom of the cell culture dish. After you have prepared the cell culture dish, you can place the DMA slide inside. After you have applied the lid, the air will reach saturation within 1 minute. This effectively stops evaporation. After you have incubated the cell culture, you will most likely want to see some results. During live microscopy with the Droplet Microarray slide, you can use incubation chambers that don't interfere with the droplet, but at the same time prevent evaporation. We have validated the Droplet Microarray technology for many cell culture assays. As you can see, bright field microscopy is possible, as well as fluorescence. The autofluorescence of the Droplet Microarray is so low it won't interfere with your results. Today I showed you how easy it is to perform cell culture assays on the Droplet Microarray, and how to do microscopy on live cells. Call us if you require more data on the cell culture assays we already validated, or visit our website. In one of the upcoming videos, I will show you how and why you should do sandwiching on the Droplet Microarray. So stay tuned for the upcoming tutorials demonstrating washing, sandwiching, and the new Droplet Microarray plate.